Hello traders, before we get into the main focus of this video, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, so in this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the Dark Mimas EA for MT5, all right, an automated scalping system. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace, and right away you can see that the Dark Mimas is actually available for free, which is always interesting, especially for an EA that claims to be highly customizable, right? So from the description, it is positioned as a scalping system, all right, and it is built around something called the Dark Oscillator. Okay, so there is actually an indicator known as the Dark Oscillator, and we are saying that this EA is built around that indicator, all right. And it also mentions that some level of optimization experience is required. Okay, that is important because it already tells me this isn't exactly a plug and play EA, and it supports multiple pairs like the Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD CAD, and AUD CHF. All right, and it can also run across different time frames, depending on how you configure it. Right. So overall, this looks more like a flexible framework rather than a fixed strategy, which can be powerful, but also means results will depend heavily on how it is set up. Now, let's quickly talk about the core features and, more importantly, what they actually mean in practice. One of the main things here is that the EA is built around a counter trend strategy. All right, that is one of the main things to note. It's built around the counter trend strategy by default. So essentially, it's looking to trade against short-term moves. Okay, we can see that here. The basic strategy starts with market order in counter trend, but you can change it in other strategies trend following. Okay, so the advantage of that is pretty clear. In ranging markets, this type of approach can catch frequent small moves when price keeps bouncing between levels. But the downside is just as important. If the market starts trending strongly, counter trend systems can get caught on the wrong side, which is where risk management becomes critical. Another key feature is the use of the Dark Oscillator. Now, instead of just blindly taking trades, the EA uses this indicator to identify overbought and oversold conditions. What this does is help refine entries. So rather than entering randomly, it's trying to step in when the market is potentially exhausted. But again, like most oscillators, it works best in ranging conditions and can give misleading signals in strong trends. So you also have full control over money management, all right, including fixed lots, or percentage risk. This is actually a strong point because it allows you to control how aggressive or conservative the EA behaves. It also means two traders using the same EA can get completely different results depending on their settings, right? There's also a spread filter, okay, and time filter, which are very important for scalping. Now, the spread filter helps avoid trading during poor liquidity conditions, while the time filter allows you to restrict trading to specific sessions. The benefit here is better trade quality, but the trade-off is fewer opportunities. And finally, the EA allows both trend following and counter trend moves. We already talked about that, right? You can say you can, change it, right? So the flexibility is kind of powerful because it means the EA can be adapted to different market conditions, but at the same time, it adds complexity and requires a good understanding of when to use each mode. All right, so instead of just talking about the features, let's just quickly jump into the strategy tester and see how this EA behaves in real market conditions. Okay, so in a moment we should have this EA added to our navigator, and from there we're going to be testing the EA to see how it works. All right, here we go. So because it's a free EA, we can also add it, to our chart and use it, right? Because it's free. But we have to backtest it to understand how it has worked in the past. You can see that there are quite a good number of customizable settings here. If you want to modify your risk, you can see here the indicators. You can see the money management settings, the trade filter that we time filter that we talked about, right? You can see trading days, trading directions, trading settings, grid settings, and all of those, right? Feel free to modify these EA settings according to your taste. Okay, so this is no, this is the EA being applied to a live chart, but let's just also quickly backtest the EA. All right, just going to right click and click on test. Okay, so I'm going to run a backtest starting from the beginning of this year. Okay, we are going to be using the Euro USD symbol. We're going to be using H1 time frame, beginning of this year. That's going to be January 1, 2026. All right, end date will be today. As for our delays, we're going to use last ping to the server, for better accuracy. But at the same time, it's worth mentioning this is a relatively short period. And for something like this, especially a scalping system, it's always better to test over a longer duration across different market conditions. All right. So let us start the test. Okay. So here we have the Dark Mimas EA for MT5, and we can see the Dark Oscillator here being mentioned during when we are going through the description. You can see the Dark Oscillator here. So the Dark Oscillator is sort of the main indicator, right, that this EA is using to execute the trades. All right, and don't forget that it uses a counter trend strategy, okay, which can be changed, right? So now we are waiting for the first trade to be executed, and we are just going to skip this to perhaps the next month. Let's see if we're going to have any trade executed by then. Let's just keep this to the end of January. Okay, so we can also see some important info here: the account balance, the equity, account profit and loss, the Euro USD profit and loss, right? If you are trading on different pairs, each pair will have its own profit and loss, right? So in addition to displaying the general account profit and loss, the EA is also showing you the profit and loss for that specific pair on which you are using the expert advisor, right? And you can also see the magic end profit and loss, the chart profit and loss. Okay, and then we have the drawdown percentage and the spread, the lot size. Okay, so these are important information that are being displayed here on this dashboard. And don't forget that one of the things that affects drawdown is the lot size being used. Okay, so let us see. Okay, so I had to pause for a bit, but I'm yet to see any trade executed. So I'm just gonna skip to the end. All right. Let's skip to the end so that we can, you know, we can see if there's gonna be any feedback from the EA and any results to analyze. All right. So I hope this takes a brief moment. Okay, so having returned to the MT5, I wanted to check how long, it's gonna take for our results to be out, if there are any. And as you can see, we are seeing over 5 hours. There are a couple of other indicators, I mean expert advisors, that I have back tested, and a good number of them don't usually take this long. Within a few minutes we should have our results. So this EA particularly is taking a whole lot of time. So feel free to back test it during your spare time if you are interested in this expert advisor. It's a free expert advisor available on the MQL5 marketplace, so you can just easily download it and test it on your own platform during your spare time, right? But at least in this video we have been able to cover the strategy that the expert advisor uses, and we have been able to at least go through some of the main features of this expert advisor. So if you are interested in it, feel free to just go download it and test it yourself, and perhaps you can also practice with it on a demo account, to see how it works. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.